This might be the loudest jet ski of all time. You follow the bed? I recently put up a poll on our Instagram story asking what kind of videos you guys want to see. If you want to see us destroying more jet skis or building more jet skis. To be quite honest, I thought that all you guys want to see is us trashing shit. But surprisingly, you guys want to see some more builds. Today we're working on something that's been on the back burner for a little while now. You guys have been seeing a lot of our FX1 that we're giving away. But today we're working on the $500 unit that we picked up, and we've been waiting on some parts and we finally got them, so we're ready to rock.
We're ready to rock, boys. I don't even know what to say. We're about to do something I don't want to do again, but we're so sick of purple. We have so many purple things, so we gotta do a little color change, and that requires
Paint. The forbidden word. We don't want to be painting out here. We said we'd never do it again, but we've got plans for this jet ski, and this purple bottom does not match the color scheme that we have in mind. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of sanding, you know, and do a little bit more spray painting. The people love watching us do that.
The colorways we're about to do, go to Jorge Prada's most recent setup. Maybe you'll get an idea. Just kidding.
We've realized not everything has to be so top secret. The jet ski theme colorway is going to be black, murdered out, with some coral, reddish, pinkish, orangish accents.
Just drop the pictures in the link.
I'll put the pictures. It's inspired by some dirt bike gear. You guys may have seen it. Excited to work on this thing. Hasn't been on the channel in a while. So
we're so excited.
here we are once again, getting ready to spray paint yet another jet ski. She's all prepped, ready to go. Primer's going down. Even on the homemade looking hole extensions. Decided to pull out the respirator, you know, for painting purposes, but not for the sanding, you know. Hunter loves the idea of spray painting jet skis, don't you?
I don't know. No, actually, no. Spray painting jet skis is so stupid. Don't do it, ever.
Hey, but our 550 turned out pretty good.
Yeah, but I don't like doing this. This feels absolutely, you know what? I can't say the word. Yeah, I feel so bad. There was only like, what, 2,500 of these things made? And here I am just rattle canning away. The sponsons are glued on there, so instead of prying them off, we're just going to spray paint over them. Because why not, you know?
Hey, they're mixed matched anyway. One's white, one's black, so might as well make them both match, you know, with spray paint.
Can you blur my face out again? I don't know what you see in the video.
I got auto body friends. Use 2 different cans of primer, you know, because that's just how we roll. But primer's done.
Hey, it's just the bottom.
It's just the bottom.
Just the bottom.
That's what we've been saying to each other to justify it, you know? More spray painting. It's just the bottom. Fuck it. Looks good, you guys. Black's gonna just go on there. Fantastic. The walk of despair.
blur my face out. I don't want to see.
Enough of the f***ing face blurring.
I don't approve of this.
Don't try this at home.
I wouldn't.
It'll look like shit.
It will. It'll look like shit. We're only doing this because, I don't know, we're not even trashing this thing.
We're doing it because
you don't give a f***.
Yeah.
Ah!
Mask up.
Ah!
Paint. Now. Yep. That looks better than airbrush. That looks better than real paint. Yeah. That's it. With the grain. With the grain. Come fight these big body lines, Code. Another rattle can jade done. Just needs some clear coat and she'll be good. Hunter's hating. I think it looks fantastic. You know, especially for spray paint. I mean, you got to keep that in mind. It looks better than the shitty purple that we had before. The purple was pretty heinous.
The purple was rough.
This looks fire.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
We're going tonight and installing motor tomorrow. I don't even care if the paint's soft. Motor's going in. 3 coats of clear later. This thing's looking mint. Don't look too close.
This guy can't be happy about anything. This thing looks phenomenal, dude. Sure, remember that it's spray painted, but look how good it looks for spray paint. We got the pump in, we got the ride plate and intake grate on. This thing's ready to be flipped over.
She's silky. She's feeling like plastic right now.
It's looking and feeling nice.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
It's just the bottom.
It's just the bottom, and the Night Rider's looking fantastic, bro. With these homemade hole extensions, these are looking crazy. Can we get some backstory on these, mate?
They're not actually homemade, but they sure those do look like homemade.
They look homemade. So it's time to flip this thing over and start working on this mess right here. We're on a time crunch right now.
Time lapse, 30 minutes.
We've got a flight to catch in about 5 hours. This isn't going to take 5 hours, but...
It better not.
It better not. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. This is looking like wood.
Trying to look in there. I don't see any baffles. Gonna be louder than
Who's that thing from?
Oh, dude, the little rad dudes. You know what I'm saying?
Rad Dudes Freestyle going in.
Going in the front. Let's go.
This thing is going to require earmuffs. Frankenstein is in town.
Oh, it's not Frankenstein anymore. Come on.
Dude.
Get with it.
Guys, this was not an easy build. Remember how we said that it wasn't going to take all day? Well, it did, because every single possible thing was going wrong. We don't have the right parts. We don't have the right hoses, but...
Yeah, we don't have the right... There's 2 hoses. Someone in the comments, please let us know. FX1 filler neck hose is different from Superjet? Like... I don't know.
It's not the same hose, and
this isn't even set up right. We just needed a hose there, though.
yeah, because
We don't even have the right hose for this one either.
Yeah, we don't have the right hose.
Dude, our hose for our FX1 setup not there, but cheapers.
Yeah, we don't have the right filler neck. We don't have the right hose to come off the backside of the water box, but we made some shit work. We got some ADA bars that Blosian hooked us up with, and what else did they hook us up with?
Hunter hooked us up with the chopped pole. Pole is chopped.
Fire this thing up.
You want to hear this thing purr, eh?
Yes, I do.
got something.
Shut her off, brother. Shots are fired. Oh my God.
We don't have something right.
Like, this might be the loudest jet ski of all time. I just seen somebody was building a triple swapped 650. And this thing's louder. Dude, that thing just popped so hard in my ear. It actually hurt. I need earmuffs.
Dude, someone in the comments, please let us know why it's backfiring, or else I'm just gonna start taking shit apart.
Holy shit, bro. This thing is sounding like a bat out of hell.
Why does it do that?
Something is not right, but I like it. It's still Frankenstein, bro. But, I mean, hey, check out the black bottom. It's looking good. It's looking nice. You guys heard that Rad Dudes freestyle water box absolutely pinging.
Maybe it's that.
It might be just that baffle-less just... I don't even have words.
Put this in the water, see what it does.
I don't even have words to describe that shit. God damn. We finished this thing up in the nick of time. We actually need to head to the airport within like the next 20 minutes. The FX1 is coming along. We need some parts, to put it all together, get the graphics, get the turf kit from Hydro Turf. But promising build. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to see some more. Check out the kit on the FX1. Some work has been done behind the scenes and a lot of work went on over there at Hydro Turf. So shout out to these guys. Check out, they got the lasering sold.outco on there. Ooh, to match the giveaway ski, you know what I mean? Put it in the comments below. Which kit do you like better? Couple days out from Halloween. I don't know when this video is going up, but I'm just about to get out there in the Sasquatch costume and this FX1 up. Start that one. We'll start. Not too many revs. We already warmed her up quite a bit. She's sounding crispy. What do you guys think of the colorway? We need some graphics. We need some graphics bad, but this thing's gonna look sick. Got a little too much purple going on around here. It's time to switch it up.
Well, I rigged that thing up, but I don't know if it's back up a bit.
Mr. Squatch? Is that Dr. Squatch? Alright, Squatch. Goddamn, look at your feet, dude. Those things are looking cramped. Can you see anything?
What?
Can you see anything?
Yeah, but my breathing's not the greatest. If I fall in, I'm absolutely trapped too.
You look insane. Buddy's so stuck, bro. Buddy is so stuck, bro.
Okay,
Squatch, what are you doing?
Just take your ski in from there, huh? That costume is dusted.
Dude, I can't breathe for a second. Oh my god. Dude, this suit's so heavy. Every time I was breathing, the mouthpiece was going in my throat. Dude, I'm out of breath, bro. Being a Sasquatch for the day is really hard. Big hogs, eh?
Look at those things.
Dude,
Just kicking around back there.
I'm clapped. I've been for like 3 minutes. There's some water in here.
Is there?
Yeah. I don't know if it'll affect it.
The old Sasquatch working on the FX1. You'll see that every day.
They're gonna put a build in this thing. A little iffy, boys. What a dialed setup. What a uni. I don't know if it's got enough torque to get us back up there though.
This costume thing's hectic, bro.
I think I'm done.
Ride her in, Satch.